y'all. I am on my way to my friend's house, y'all. We are about to hit the road. So this is the part 2 to my friend's, you know, somewhat of like a little birthday turn up. I know her original plans, we were all supposed to, me and some other friends were supposed to go to Atlanta. It got canceled. And so she just decided that she wanted to go see her family for her birthday, but she also wanted to make another stop, which will be in Chicago. So we are actually going to be heading to Chicago today and the night there, and just kind of exploring and doing some things that, you know, she really wants to do. And I've never been to Chicago, so I'm, you know, excited about that. But anyways, y'all, yeah, definitely make sure that you subscribe, turn your notification bell so that you know when I post that video. A rush, because we were originally, I don't know if I said it or not, we were supposed to leave like at least by 5:30 or 5, but currently it is, you know, 6:57, so we still making some good timing. From here to Chicago is like a 5-hour trip, but you know, I think that we should probably get there at least by like 1 or 2 o'clock. Still got time to really like you know, enjoy the day and stuff like that. I'm trying to make sure I'm not speeding because I ain't got time to get no ticket, I ain't got time to get pulled over. But yeah, y'all, so like literally last night I went to bed at like 3 a.m. because I was up editing a video. The last video that y'all seen, I was up editing that video. I made it to my friend's house, and y'all, we about to get on the road. So all right, y'all, so we have the car loaded up. So this is her stuff, her shoes. Hold on, y'all, let me shut this door. But anyway, yeah, so that's her stuff. This is my stuff, y'all. So yeah, I think I showed y'all this shirt, but these sweatpants are the sweatpants that I showed y'all, I think not in my last video, but the video before that I bought from H&M. We'll see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so we have made it to, we're not in Chicago, we're somewhere in Illinois, probably on the outskirts, but y'all, we are stopping at Harold's Chicken right here. If you in Chicago, you already know about Harold's Chicken. Haven't been to Chicago, pretty popular chicken place. We're about to go try this out. This is our first stop. So after we leave Harold's Chicken, we're gonna go check in at the hotel. I drove this whole trip. It was like a 5-hour trip, and y'all, this trip was like, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. Like, it was a breeze, it was quick. Listen, I'm excited because anybody knows me knows I'm a foodie and I love food. Little pizza place called Nana's. We're gonna try that out. Just stay tuned. This is gonna be like a real tasty vlog because we about to go in on some food. Video first.
Look at that, 2 slices, but it's 1.
Alright, y'all, so we are at Harold's Chicken, and I think this is like the north side. You know what? We are in, what does that say? Creekwood, Illinois. Alright, y'all, so we finally made it to this hotel. Tell y'all something, like, we were probably lost for about a good 45 minutes. Y'all, if you ever been to Chicago, then maybe you understand. If not, listen, the streets and the one-ways and the everything else, it was completely crazy. We had to call like the staff to like get us here, and we talked to probably like 3 different staff. Y'all, Friend is parking her car, and then we're gonna get up to our room. First thing I'm gonna do is eat, and I actually need to tell her to get my food. But yeah, we're staying at the La Quinta downtown. All right, y'all, so we made it to the room. So we are outside the hotel downtown Chicago. Walk around the area and kind of see, you know, what's around here. And then around 7 o'clock, we're going to go to the sugar factory. So that's exciting. I've never been there before. Just sightseeing right now while it's still light, while it's still day. So that's all we're doing right now. I think we're about to go to the city walk, maybe, if it's not too far. Maybe take some pictures and stuff like that. So. But yeah, guys, so far we've seen a lot of downtown because we got lost trying to find the hotel. But downtown, just trying to find some little snacks and stuff to take to the room. Apparently, y'all, there's some type of protest that's supposed to break out today at Riverfront, and they're actually closing the little area early. And then there's a couple other stores that are closing early also, because we didn't know this was going on. But yeah, we're just grabbing some snacks and stuff, and then we're gonna head back to the room and yeah, just figure out what we're gonna do from there. So, but yeah. So we are in, I think it's called Block 37 Mall. It's like one of the downtown malls. It's pretty dead in here. And I think they close in like an hour or so. Yeah, y'all. We just kind of walking around. And due to the protests, I guess, that's going on, a lot of places have closed or are closing early. I don't know what the rest of the night is going to hold for us, so but we'll see. day 2, and we are still in Chicago. It is probably about 10 o'clock, y'all, and we are up, y'all. Look at all this stuff. Y'all, this is like, we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna do like a little haul. This is called Primark. Get into that. Y'all stay tuned for that. We're gonna get in. But anyway, that's the shopping that I did last night. But anyway, we still in our room. My friend's getting dressed in the shower or in the bathroom, like getting my stuff out and stuff. So, but yeah, so we are about to, I think we're getting ready to go to breakfast. This place called the Original Pancake House. Yeah, we're gonna see what they're talking about. We've seen some good reviews and good food and stuff on their website, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, y'all. So last night was really fun. We pretty much, you know, we walked all over downtown, took a lot of pictures. We went to, as y'all see, the little pizza place, Giordano's, which was, y'all, amazing. I ate one piece and that was it, but that's how thick the crust is. Got my leftovers and stuff, and then what else did we do? I think we just kind of walked around and just was like sightseeing and taking pictures. It was like really nice to do that. So anyway, yeah, I told them about Primark. But yeah, I'm gonna have to tell y'all about that in like a whole nother vlog or something, because I'm gonna do like a little haul about some of the things that I got and stuff. So sneak peek and see. Can y'all see? Yeah, we're gonna talk about that later. And it is Friday, April the 16th, and we will be leaving to go to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, probably within the next few hours or so. I know there's a couple more places that we're gonna visit here in Chicago. So y'all, I don't know if y'all have these issues when y'all travel, but most of the time when I travel, my skin always does something crazy. Yesterday, I wore a hat all day, and then, of course, just the mask stuff. So y'all, like, I've got like little dry patches and stuff, and then I don't know what the heck is going on. Hair bumps, like, yo, do I have a mustache? I don't know. I have no idea, but my skin is like doing something real crazy.
Oh, that right there, that's beautiful. There we go.
Yeah, see my fit for the day. Got this hat on, this one piece thing. But yeah, we're about to go to this little breakfast spot, y'all, called Wildberry. Yeah, see what they got going on. Hopefully the wait's not too long. And then we're gonna go this over here. I think it's called Millennium Park. There's, you know, she's a picture fanatic. Like, she loves taking pictures, but I'm good on the pictures, so I'm not trying to do all that. Yeah, Chicago is so beautiful. Like, I mean, there's one part that we seen last night, but I'm going to have to show y'all what I'm looking at right now on the hill. Like, look at this. This is the place that we're getting ready to go to, Wildberry. Y'all, look at how beautiful that it is. Like, look at these buildings.
Really take this feeling. I see ya. No, I'm really just too this
So we are at the Millennium Park, and we're just kind of taking some pictures and stuff.
Girls Friday, Chicago.